guys, today I'm going IKEA with my family. I need some boxes to organize textbooks and notebooks that I used last year. It is now 10:49. We're gonna eat lunch at IKEA, so we're gonna go ahead and get ready.
Turn right onto Northampton Boulevard.
Check. We're gonna eat lunch. I got veggie balls. Hi guys, just got back from the hospital because I went to see a doctor for physical check for school. I haven't eaten breakfast yet even though it's 10:09. I'm gonna make my breakfast real quick. I'm gonna have an apple with yogurt, so I'm gonna make that. I'm gonna wash this apple. I had blood test, so that's why I have Band-Aid on. But anyways. I'm also gonna make this matcha latte. My breakfast is served. I'm gonna eat this even though it's 10:30. I don't know why it took 20 minutes, but I made it. Apple with some yogurt. You guys know that I just had breakfast, but for today's lunch I'm gonna be making oatmeal pancakes, banana, egg, and oatmeal. That's it. This is the first time to make this oatmeal pancake, so I don't know what's gonna be like, but I'm trying to make. Let's start. First, I'm gonna squish this banana. I'm gonna use this fork. Oh, by the way, I'm making 2 pancakes because my mom is also gonna eat this. And then I'm gonna put this egg in here. Okay, I'm gonna mix this. Okay, after it's mixed, I'm gonna put oatmeal. The recipe I'm looking at says that you need 25 grams of oatmeal, but this one has 30 grams. I don't really care, so I'm just gonna put this here. Just gonna mix this again. Okay, and then you just have to wait 5 minutes. Next, I'm gonna put this into a pan. It's a rainy day, so it's a perfect day for reading a book. 2 days ago, I went to Barnes & Noble and I got a new book, Reminders of Him by Colin Hoover. I've seen this book so many times. I know that Colin Hoover's books are really popular. I've read It Ends With Us, Ugly Love, November 9th, and this is my 4th one. I'm so excited. Actually, I'm on page 40 right now, so I'm gonna read this book. I don't have any plans for today, but I want to get ready for tomorrow because tomorrow we're going to the beach. We're going Cape Hatteras in North Carolina. I've never been to Cape Hatteras. It's gonna be like 3.5 hours drive, so I want to pack my bags because tomorrow morning we will leave pretty early. I don't think I'm gonna have enough time to pack or do my makeups. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna pack for tomorrow's trip. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna bring this top bag. I think it's so cute. It has a tiny pocket inside, very helpful. And I'm also gonna bring this book, of course. I'm gonna read this in the car as it's gonna be a pretty long ride. I'm gonna bring sunscreen. I cannot find another sunscreen. It's a sunbum, but I cannot find it. I don't know where it went. I found this sunbum cool down, so I'm gonna bring this. And of course, I'm gonna bring a hat, but I'm debating which hat I should bring. I have this one that I bought in Japan like 2 months ago, or this one, or this one. I think I'm gonna bring this one or this one because my swimming suit is white. My phone, AirPods, hand sanitizer, claw clips. My favorite lipstick, it's Shiseido. It's so cute. I think that's basically it for things that I want to bring to the beach tomorrow. I'm gonna look for my sunbum sunscreen because I got it last year and I didn't use it all, so I should have put somewhere, so I'm gonna look for that and hopefully I can find it. We're gonna bring some lunch, snacks, and drinks. Stay tuned for the beach vlog. I hope you guys are having some fun in the summer and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.